Are your localized Common UI resources application failing because of the Uicommon Library DLL? I'm Sophie Chen, a senior Windows support engineer. Let's fix those broken file references immediately. As we prepare to fix Uicommon Library manually, consider the professional maintenance path for a more stable workstation. This is the Uicommon Library, a generic common UI library. It manages unmanaged localized UI widgets and localized control templates, facilitating the localized orchestration of unmanaged localized visual elements across localized modular software. Now that the background is clear, let's walk through the actual installation steps. Since Uicommon Library DLL is an embedded part of the localized common UI resources architecture, you should perform a clean reinstall of the application that triggered the message to ensure all proprietary components are restored to their proper paths. When the primary installation path fails, a more surgical approach to checking your system's environmental variables is required. A quick reboot can determine if the error is transient. While it won't fix a deleted file, it can re-establish the connection between your software and the Uicommon library file if the path was temporarily busy. Make sure to save your spot by bookmarking this video or hit the like button before you restart so you don't have to search for it again. With the restart confirmed as ineffective for this instance, let's analyze the registry settings next. If you need to pause the video while navigating the registry editor, feel free. If you're still seeing performance alerts post-reboot, it's time to rebuild the diagnostic registration entries. First, open command prompt as admin. Second, you're going to type loctr/r, then hit enter. Why are we doing this? Well, the issue is typically found in the registry registration rather than the file itself. This rebuild command clears out legacy performance data and re-establishes a clean connection to the OS monitoring tools. Beyond the repair, maintaining a secure workstation requires avoiding a few common technical mistakes. Protect your digital life by ignoring unofficial download links for Uicommon Library DLL that could lead to identity theft or the loss of important files. For a reliable way to monitor these specific library interactions, I've included a professional resource link in the description. If system conflicts or lag are present, the resource below outlines concepts related to Uicommon library management. If we successfully synchronize the missing library for Uicommon Library today, liking this video helps others find the solution. Subscribe for professional tech support.